Hey everyone! You're welcome to another vlog. We just got to our next accommodation. This is the third one I'm staying here in KL, fourth in Malaysia, because there was one in Penang. So we just got in here and I like it already because in the last video I did about the apartment I was staying, I did talk about how the customer service was not so great for the two places that I stayed here in KL. So when I got here for the first time, I saw a smile on the customer service person's face. First time it was a woman, the previous two were men, where she was smiling, and I got here around 12:30 and she allowed me check-in, just it's so early because the check-in is by 3, but I checked out of the previous place by 12 because they were like super strict over there, like 3 on the dot was when the person showed up to check me in. And then the night before I was to check out, they sent me a message that I'm to check out by 11. I'm like, hold up. I went back to my Agoda booking. It was 12. I was like, I took a screenshot, circled it, and sent it to them. I said, it's 12 o'clock. So they're like, oh, yes, that they can allow me stay till 12. I'm like, you're not allowing me. 12 is checkout. Whew, I'm glad I'm done with that apartment. The customer service was like the worst in the world. But anyway, so when I got here, first of all, she was smiling, so I was happy about that. So she allowed me check in. She was like, that there are rooms available. I can go to the room and all of that. So I was so happy. I just came in. My plan was if I get here and it's too early to check in, I would just drop my bags and go out, and go explore the city. But yeah, we checked in. Same style. This is supposed to be a hotel, but I think the same thing is managed by different people. Mine is managed by Nanas or something like Mana. I can see it on the pillow. So yeah, it's managed by Mana Suites. Yeah, but the name of the building they say is Silence Hotel or something like that. Let me check. Let me just check the name. I think shortlets or hotels is like big business here in KL. It should be because KL, Malaysia as a whole, has the highest number of tourists in Southeast Asia. They dethroned Thailand, who held that position for many years before the pandemic. So last year, over 29 million tourists came into Malaysia. So yes, I do believe that if you're into hospitality, it's a good business. You're going to make money because so many tourists coming in here on a daily basis. So you would always have guests in your accommodation. So I've noticed already that is what people do. They just get places like this, get some rooms, and it's theirs, and they make money from that, like condotels kind of thing. I want to invest in this country. Anyway, so the name of this hotel is Ceylon Suites, KLCC. Is this KLCC? By Mana, yeah? So yeah, because when I came to the reception, I know the story is long before I even do the tour. When I got to the reception, she asked to see my booking and she saw it. She was like, oh, Mana, okay. So she went and brought up the box with all the keys for Mana. Anyway, so we are here. Let's do the tour. So this is the entrance right here. It uses a key. An access key, so you use that to get in. There's a shoe rack here, a washing machine, fridge, tiny fridge. Yeah, I need to go get water. I don't have any water. So that's a fridge, a sink area. So it feels like having a kitchenette is like a must. Because this is, everywhere I've stayed has this. Apart from the hotel, I stayed in Penang. That one was just a room. There was no cooking, no kitchenette there. So the wood here looks so, that old wood. It looks really nice. The washing machine here is quite big. And there's storage up there. There's storage up there. There is actually a lot of storage, so you can just put your things away. Let us see what is here. They just put it bare. Okay, they're minimalist here. They put coffee things. Do you know I never ever use all these things they keep in my rooms? I buy everything I need. What is here? Oh, that should be the bathroom. Let's see it. Okay, it looks really clean. I love that. Yeah, it's really clean. Good, 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 good. That's a shower. It feels so clean. I love it. So that's for the kitchen area, bathroom area. So there's a TV here. That's my video playing on YouTube. That is a sitting area. Sit there, watch TV, a coffee table. Then there's a work desk here. I love it. Whenever I want to book a place, I always look out for, is there a workstation? Because I have to work. So I'm happy about that table. I like it. It's so big and spacious. So I could just sit here and work. And this could be my view. Not bad at all. So this is a closet. It looks big. Let's see. Okay, ironing table. They put slippers there. They're not hangers. Let's see over here. No hangers for real. Okay. There's a hair dryer and an iron. Spare towel or this blanket. And pillow. Then this is the bed. It's so high up. Is there storage here? Nope. So why is it so big? Anyway, there is a good view here. And there are blinds. You can cover the blinds. Yeah? Okay, so that's it about the room. So let us go see the amenities. So there is something they call, yeah, this is it. Let's just look at this. They have this on some of the floors. They call it pocket garden. So I'm lucky to have it on my floor. So you can just come here and chill. There's a garden here. You can sit. I'm guessing this is for sitting. And there is a very good view. Ooh, look at that. It feels so close, like I can walk to it. Oh, wow, nice. I've been there already. I have the video on the channel. It looks like there's maintenance going on there. So they may be closed for maintenance. But anyway, I've been there. The video is on the channel, so do check it out. This looks so bright. Anyway, I'll see how I can fix that during editing. So here's the surrounding. It feels so quiet, so much greenery. Oh my goodness. So it looks like all the skyscrapers are over there. That is KLC, so you can see Petronas Towers there. So where I stayed before is one of those buildings where I'm coming from. It's a very quiet area. Let's go see more of the amenities. Okay, 39th floor. This is the topmost floor. This is where the swimming pool is. Press and hold to talk. Call guard. Oh, the view from here is so cool. It is drizzling a bit. Oh, look at that, look at that. There is so much fog from up here. Is that not a swimming pool down there? So what is up here? Wait, what is up here? Let's see. Is it Sky Garden? Okay, I guess it's just a Sky Garden here. Oh, okay. So the pool and gym is on 37, sports lounge 36. Okay, so we need to go to the 37th floor to see the pool. It's currently being cleaned. Okay, but this is cool. They have a Sky Garden, so you can just come up here and relax. and just watch the view. I think the sunset. Yeah, the sunset should be this way. The sun. We'll see. Okay, someone is chilling, or people are chilling up here. It's a good idea. Oh, looks, the view is so good. Okay, you can have like barbecue and things up here. Wow, we're seeing the 3 tallest buildings from here, and they look so close to here. See how close this is from here. Wow, amazing. So over to 37th floor. Okay, they did write it here, Sky Garden, Sky Barbecue Pavilion. Interesting stuff. So those pocket gardens, they have them on 4 floors, 13, 19, 25, and 31. So I was lucky to have it on mine. Okay, let us see. Oh, look at the pool. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It's being cleaned right now. Look at the gym up there. I see people in the gym. Is that yoga? Looks like yoga. Oh dear, the place is not clean at all. What? Oof, can't even walk on it. Okay, we get the idea. Oh, I'm gonna come back here in the evening. Oh my goodness, this place is so filthy. Even walking on it, I feel like disappearing. Okay, that's it. Hopefully we can come back when it is cleaned. Let's see if we can find the gym. Sky Gymnasium, Gourmet Kitchen. Okay. Oh, just here. Okay, my card. Okay, boxing. Okay, I guess we're gonna come here. I really like the views from this hotel. So much greenery. You're seeing greenery, you're seeing the skyscrapers. It is so cool. Okay, those are all the important amenities. The rest are pocket gardens, meeting rooms, things like that. So let's go chill in the room for a bit, and then we're gonna go out to some place we've not been since I came to KL. Let's explore the city some more.